In this tutorial, we will be building our own live ring using the image editor. First, what we will need to do is go ahead and select our own shank. So at this point, we'll just go ahead and select the elements. And now we go ahead and select shank and select our preferred metal color. So in this case, we'll be building a 3-tone ring. Let's go ahead and start with a yellow shank. And let's go ahead and choose shank of our choice, which will be a simple wideband. Let's go ahead and verify that our shank has been delivered to our canvas. Now we have verified. Let's go ahead and select our head. And let's change the head to a white head. So now that our options have been populated on the screen, let's go ahead and select one that is recommended. And now let's go ahead and make sure that the head has been added onto our screen. Let's go ahead and shrink it to size that we prefer. And now we can go ahead and select a center stone. So depending on what type of ring that you would like to go with, we can also choose to add elements before adding the stone. So in this case, we'll go ahead and add a round stone since the head is built for a round center. And now let's go ahead and select our stone. So for example, we'll choose a morganite. Now we see that the stone has been added to the canvas. Let's go ahead and add our center stone to our ring. Shrink it down to size. And place it over the head like so. So this head represents a bezel set, which does not require the traditional prongs. Now that I have set our center stone in, let's go ahead and add some elements to the ring. Let's just straighten it out. Once we have straightened out our design, let's go ahead and add our elements to it. So let's go ahead and select Other. And now let's throw in a pink gold element. Now that our elements are populated, we can go ahead and select the element of our choice. So for this example, I will be choosing a rose bezel set, pear-shaped diamond for each side of the ring. Let's go ahead and select the center stone, shrink it down, and add it to the place that we would prefer. And if we already have a size that is selected and shrunk, for example this pear shape, all we have to do is duplicate it and it's already sized for us. So now we have our design very close to where we want it to be. And now let's go ahead and add an engraving style on the inside of the band. Go ahead and press Add Text. And now our engraving style is inserted on our canvas. Size it to the correct shape to fit the format of your ring. Click out of the boundary box, and now we have our ring. Let's go ahead and save it. And now this ring will be available to view in our gallery.